particularly in England today when you compare it with yesterday. So warmer than yesterday will be a good little headline for this afternoon. And with that, there are one or two light showers and a good deal of sunshine. The weather's still coming in from the east. You might get an idea of that if you watch this moving cloud. That's the thickest cloud around at the moment, currently over the Midlands and much of southern England. But by mid-afternoon, despite the easterly breeze, it's 10 degrees in Norwich, where yesterday it was 7. It's 13 in York, where yesterday it was overcast and rather horrible. The wind is an easterly but not as strong, and that's the principal thing. And the sun, of course, is strong, and with the Highland Scotland in the sunshine, that's the second day in a row where you've had pretty good weather. Same is true in Northern Ireland. But that thicker cloud, which is drifting slowly with the wind, is over Wales and southwest England this afternoon. You still get 12 degrees out of it, and the cloud itself might turn over, and despite the fact there are some light rain showers, there should be some sunshine in between. So BST has appeared to have done its job. That's 3 o'clock this afternoon. Then the cloud disperses before dusk, which of course is an hour later now. But although the nights are a bit shorter than the days, it's not that much yet. You've still got enough time to produce a frost in Highland Scotland and a bit of mist or hill fog down the Pennine Chain and to North Wales. So a chilly night, but for most of us probably not frosty. So Monday has potentially a promising start. And with this big anticyclone in charge of our weather, you follow the isobars, they are becoming wider space now, but the wind's still roughly and easterly. The promise is there, I think, of another warm day, because the wind largely comes off the continent, which at this time of the year is warming up. So a few hours to disperse the morning cloud, and then I wouldn't say wall-to-wall sunshine, but a nice looking day on Monday with temperatures up again, typically around 14 Celsius, which is 57 Fahrenheit. A bit cooler on the coast of northeast England and eastern Scotland. So a good start, a warm start, but it's a false hope. I'm afraid the week does turn cold. Not as cold as we've had recently, but certainly colder midweek onwards, with a change in the weather's direction. It comes in from the Atlantic. Not on Monday or Tuesday. It tries to get in, but still we've got that high dominant. Then we seem to be between the two stools on Tuesday. So very little wind, a greyish start, but some promising sunshine, and possibly the warmest day of the week for maybe the London area, 17 Celsius, 63 Fahrenheit. Now quite clearly it's the Atlantic that then takes over for a while. This front, this cold front, does introduce cooler weather, principally because it allows a lot of showers in. You're dragging some warmer air up in the flow, so some of the showers could be fairly hefty and long-lasting. So temperatures will drop, admittedly, but the showers are of rain, and we're down to about 12 or 13 degrees. It's after that things get a little colder, because you then follow the isobars this direction. That suggests the northerly wind, not for everywhere, but typically tucking down through the Irish Sea into the northwest of England. The effect of that could be some pretty deep, heavy showers, and even a bit of sleet or snow in the Welsh mountains. A drop in temperature, fairly obviously. That being Thursday. Now on Friday, the cold air just tucks down into continental Europe and gives some snow for the Alps. We sit underneath this developing area of low pressure, which is slow moving, no real winds around it, of course a lot of cloud and a lot of rain, which will keep temperatures down a little bit. Not especially cold, but colder. Back now to Miriam in Shropshire.